If you're watching this, you know you're in Antara's Zouqh. And today I'm here with my DAAL SHEDHO, the vegan recipe involving lentils. It is a very classic way of eating lentils, and I'm sure this dish has a lot of nostalgic values in a lot of my Bengali friends. However, while growing up, I have never really had this. But now I can't get enough of it. It is one of the easiest way of making protein. All you do is take some lentils. I love Masoor ki Dal or Masoor Dal for this particular recipe. And today I'm using a lentil which I've got from Kolkata. If you look at the lentils closely, you'll see that they are much smaller than what you generally get in the supermarkets. But even that would do. Basically, these smaller grains somehow are way more flavorful. So if you ever find these smaller grains in your market, don't forget to buy it. All you do is wash the lentils thoroughly and then soak it for 1 hour. Remember, I am not using a pressure cooker, so I'm gonna soak my dal. If you're using whole lentils, I think 2 to 3 hours of soaking would be a good idea. After an hour, put a white pan on medium flame. Put in the dal along with its water, some few slit green chillies, some salt, and some turmeric powder to taste. Give it a thorough mix. Cover and let it come up to a boil. Add some more water and let it boil again. Keep an eye on it so that the water doesn't escape the pan and spill all over your countertop. Stir it every now and then so that all grains cook uniformly and evenly. And just before your dal is completely cooked through, add a teaspoon of cold pressed mustard oil. This will add flavor into this otherwise very simple recipe. Mix it well and cover and cook it for another 10 to 15 minutes till the dal is completely cooked through. Now it's up to you how much of water you want to keep in this dal. I like this sort of porridgey consistency, but I have seen a lot of people who would rather go towards completely dry dal. It's up to you, up to your taste. Adjust the seasoning, add some salt, and mix it thoroughly. Switch off the flame and now add 1 tablespoon of a good quality cold pressed mustard oil and green chillies to taste. Just cover it and give it a standing time of about 5 to 10 minutes before serving it hot with some steamed rice and a vegetable of your choice. But I feel aloo bhaja is the perfect companion with this dal. If you like what you saw today, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends and family so that they also know about us, and support us by subscribing to this channel.